friends, Running Kimono here. So Dollar General Christmas, the final Christmas video we'll ever talk about is with the Dollar General. So in the last 6 years, always the third Tuesday is always the quarter sale. It's always been that way except for this year. So has it been canceled? What is going on? So we're just going to dive into this today, along with a bunch of problems I was having with the app last Saturday. I was trying to get out to do some deals and I couldn't even log into the Dollar General app. And we're going to talk about that and how to retrieve coupons and so on and so forth, because that was quite messy as well. It seems like everything is one thing over there messy. So if you open up the Dollar General app, top right hand corner, and then just start scanning these barcodes of Christmas items, it's all 70%, which was last week's price. Typically in the last many years, what happens is they have a week of 70 and then the following week it goes to a quarter. But there's always a memo that goes with that, and a memo has not been released to the staffers saying, please put all the items at the front so people can get it for a quarter, blah, blah, blah. Has not been the case. So we have another week of 70% off, which is kind of like cueing that Price is Right loser moments. You know, whatever it is. And air care is still 50 as well, which is always trending part of this quarter sale. So it is what it is. What do I think is going to happen? Is the sale completely done? It is the Dollar General, so you got to expect the unexpected. The fact that they are so going off the menu with so many things with these new system updates and everything going on, I truly don't know what's happening. That's the truth. As much as I'd like to go so fast and loose with my mouth, I'm going to say that we're going to have to wait for that memo. If it drops on Friday the 20th, we'll definitively have some information about the quarter sale, but I'm thinking Friday we should see something. If not, who knows how long they'll keep the 70%. I guess they're hanging on to every penny. And then Tuesday, January the 24th, if you take those barcodes that I just provided you in the slides previous, scan them, put them in a list and see what's happening. Maybe we'll see something drop to 90. Maybe we'll see something drop to a quarter. We're just going to have to wait and see. And I know that a lot of you are impatient. You just want the sale to be done with and to get your stuff. But it is what it is. They're just kind of, I don't know, being creative with this stuff. And if the stuff is still at the store at 70% for week 2, it's probably not going to sell. So we're just going to have to wait this one out, guys. The next thing I want to talk about is last Saturday the 14th, I was trying to do some Dollar General deals, and I just wanted to do $25 baskets, nothing too extravagant. And I could not log into my account, and I know probably a lot of you were dealing with that. I was posting about it on Instagram. I could not get in until Sunday the 15th around 6 o'clock. So like a day and a half later, which is totally unacceptable if you're using a desktop computer to get into your account. So I didn't even go to the store. I didn't want to have the opportunity that I didn't load a coupon and for them to be like, that's $19 for your transaction, because I'm not paying $19 for a transaction. And if you do stumble across these issues where, you know, Saturday everything is not working so well, I would not be shy to void your transaction, and you can always say, hey, I forgot my wallet at home. And what are they going to do? They'll have to void it no matter what. It's a very contentious thing to say, to void a transaction. But if the digital coupons and nothing's working out the way that you want it to, by all means, void. Obviously, at new updated stores with the 3 receipts, you get no overage. The Dollar General 5 off 25 and the gain coupons don't stack, or like the 5 off 30, for example, they won't stack. But if digital coupons are just not coming off for you, volunteer to put everything back and just void the transaction. I'm not paying an extra $10 for Swiffer. Guys, I couldn't even try because I didn't know what I loaded on my account. So what I do now is, if I'm loading everything on Sunday, I'm writing it all on a piece of paper, because sometimes you get locked out of your account for the whole entire week, which is weird. Okay, I want to talk also about the Dollar General app. So this is the main page of the app, and a lot of people load coupons that are like, I don't know where it is. So they did a new app update, which isn't very user friendly. If you see where the arrow is at the very bottom where it says wallet, after you have loaded your coupons, just to show you a bit more closer, you would hit this button and there would be a list of all of your coupons there in the wallet. So that's the new way that they design this whole thing. So just another step for you guys to get to your digital coupons, but that's how I typically find them, through the app. Desktop computer, same way, but you have to root around a little bit. Nothing is user intuitive anymore with these new app updates. So yeah, So we're just going to have to really be patient, guys. Here are the digital coupons in your wallet. We're going to have to be patient about Christmas. And if you're going to load any digital coupons, if you have more than one account, I would suggest writing out a little list of the phone number and then just, what coupons you have loaded. Because Saturday, the 14th, I would have loved to have gone to the Dollar General. I had like 3 different deals I wanted to do. Couldn't do any of them because I didn't know what coupons I had on my account. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.